welcome to our channel. Today we're doing a nighttime relax with me do-it-yourself pedicure. So if you want to follow along and relax with me, I'm going to show you everything I go through to do my own pedicure. And right now my nails are looking pretty messed up from the winter time and not being seen for a while, so definitely need to clean them up. And I also want to do some nice relaxation. It's like 10 o'clock at night, everyone's asleep, and I really had a busy day, and I just want to relax my muscles that are sore right now and just have some me time. So these are my nails starting out. They're definitely long and look terrible. First, go through some of the items that we'll be using for today. So setting up my bubble bath, I have some bubbles that I used from this vanilla and brown sugar soften bath and shower. I love that. So I have the Epsom salt. It really helps with your muscles and soreness, and I feel like it also dehydrates you a little bit. So if you're retaining some water, then that can help with that. I should mention, make sure you stay hydrated. So I do have my water here, but since I'm also relaxing, I have a cup of tea, so excited for that. I've got a nice candle. So this one's called Indigo Nights, and actually my brother-in-law got me this, so I'm excited to use that. Smells good, it's perfect for tonight. Pedicure bath portion, I'm gonna be doing some exfoliating and all, so I have a brush and a couple pumice things. And then I have this body scrub. So this is Devil's Mint body scrub. I love to use that. You can really use any type of like exfoliant type thing that you prefer. I think I'm gonna do peppermint this time. So I'm gonna put a few drops of the peppermint. I did 8. So 8 drops of that. Smells so good. All right, so then for the part of the pedicure, I'll have these separators for my toes. I have this set of utensils that my sister got me that I love. I've had this for a while and it's still in good shape. So we've got like the toenail clippers, and we've got some other cleaning devices, which I'll show later. And then before I even soak my toes or anything, I'm gonna go ahead and use this nail polish remover. So I showed this in a previous video. This is my favorite nail polish remover of all time. And I don't know if you can get a good view of it on there. Anyway, it's the LA Colors nail polish remover. Comes in a pack of 32. And then a nail polish that you wanna use. So I'm just using this, it's OPI Mimosas from Mr. and Mrs. I love this one. It's like it's almost not like a nude, but like a light pink. And this is one of my favorites. I'm gonna be using that. So before I go ahead and soak my toes, I'm going to remove the nail polish, and I'll be soaking after. All right, so I'm just removing the old nail polish. It's been on there for a while, so it's a little stuck. All right, next we got this foot. All right, so toes are moved up all on nail polish. All right, so now it's time to soak these toes. I finished my tea and my toes have been soaking for a little while now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply the Body Mint scrub. So any kind of exfoliating scrub that you have could work on yourself. So I'm gonna be putting it on my feet, but I'm also gonna be putting it on my calves and shins. And just really work it in. Just trying to get rid of that dead skin. And so here I can use the pumice. Any parts where you have calluses, you just want to try to get rid of that. And then I use the brush part for the toes. So if you see right here, I'm just gonna brush underneath. Okay, then that one's done. You can also take some time to give your foot a little bit of a massage, maybe your calves. I mean, if you think about how much time we spend walking around or putting pressure on our feet, we have muscles in our feet, so it's nice to kind of work them out and get those kinks out. And I do have a little bit of a knot in the bottom of my foot. Okay. And the brush. I feel like I'm practicing yoga. Working on poses a little bit. And I'm putting right back into soak. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my bath before we do the next part where we're actually going to do the outside pedicure part. But before I do that, I just want to remind you to, right below the video, hit subscribe if you like the videos and you want to see more of the content. We have some more awesome upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I finished my bubble bath. I was probably in there for over an hour just playing on my phone on the side so it wouldn't get wet, and sometimes I watch like movies and shows on my iPad. So today I just kind of try to relax. I did go on my phone a few times, but I just tried to really just take it all in and just relax my muscles, take a break. But now it is time to clean my nails underneath. We're going to be moisturizing, we're going to be cutting the nails, and we're going to be painting them. So let's do this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take this little tool and I'm going to be cleaning underneath the nails. Just getting the gunk out. On the sides. Just getting underneath there. Alright, next I'll be using this toenail clipper to clip the nails. With any hairs that might be in the area, I like to just pluck them out. Make sure you get by the root. Next, I'm going to moisturize with our lotion. Alright, so I added one of these toe separators and I added a towel just in case, and I've got the nail polish removers at the ready just in case, and otherwise we can go ahead and start to paint. clean the edges up a bit. So I'm gonna let that first coat dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and do everything I just did on this foot, with the exception, I did not mention the part about, and what I could do on the other foot, about pushing the cuticles back a little bit with this part. So I kind of did a little bit when I was using this part, but you can really push them back so you have more space to paint with this tool. All right, so that's one coat on all the toenails, and the next coat should look a little bit better. And if you need to, you can get the edges with this. All right, everything's coming along beautifully, but I think one more coat should do it. This is the after, all done, beautiful piggies, and just need them to dry. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and otherwise, we'll see you soon. Bye.